Okay, so today we're going to be sussing our 10-minute liquid facelift treatment. As in our industry, there's a lot of people who are concerned with aging. It's quite common, it's, at least even if it's preservation. But the big thing is when we're trying to treat these people for aging skin, a lot of it is not just lines and wrinkles, it is about firming, it is about volume. And this is where the 10-minute liquid facelift comes in. It has actually leading breakthrough ingredients in the liquid facelift. It is very different. It is going to work on firming, lifting, as well as that volume within the skin. No needle alternative, okay, to Dr. Injectable's fillers, which is known as Sculpture. So Sculpture as a filler, they actually use a polylactic acid they inject into the skin, and it doesn't fill straight away, but after the 3 months it causes an increase in collagen production to get that plumping and that firmer, more volume within the skin. So when we're looking at 10-minute liquid facelift, this is the no needle alternative to that. So we have live, active, and instant results with using our 10-minute liquid facelift. So we're looking at it, it actually contains plant cell culture. So we're having a little look up here. We've got the Centella Anastasia. These are live plant cultures in there, which are our epidermal growth factors. These are the leading edge, the new ingredients that are out. The studies done on them are amazing on how much epidermal growth they're going to cause, in turn causing an increase in collagen, elastin, giving you that volume and that firmness within the skin. We also have Pseudoterminus ferment extract, and that's amazing at retaining moisture. They've done clinical studies on it, and actually after 15 days, there's up to a 50% increase in collagen, and after 20 days, there's a 50% reduction in the depth of line. So that's pretty crazy. We have sodium hyaluronate, we have your glycosaminoglycans to plump and hydrate, and we also have your acetyl hexapeptide and your palmitoyl pentapeptide. Now, these are breakthrough peptides, the most advanced peptides that we have in our liquid facelift, and a lot of clinical studies have been done on these. So peptides are actually amino acid, they're from a protein, and they are the cell communicators. They are able to affect DNA, like if there's any damaged DNA, repairing any DNA or tissues as well. And with our acetyl hexapeptide 8, there's actually been clinical studies of it relaxing the muscles. So, in turn, the way when we've done clinical studies on this, if you actually have an emulsion that does have 10% acetyl hexapeptide 8 in it, the clinical studies have shown that after only 30 days, there's a 30% reduction in the depth of those lines. So, acetyl hexapeptide, relaxing, palmitoyl pentapeptide 3, filling and plumping. So these are the next generation ingredients. Like we have your epidermal growth factors in there. We have the most advanced peptides in there. This is working on giving the skin that lift, that volume, that firmness within the skin. And when you're looking at price-wise, so you're giving your clients the firmness and the volume that they're wanting, but for this, it actually ends up costing you $166.75 for the box. You've got 15 treatments in there, and it actually charges out at $200 per treatment or $100 add-on. So we're looking at profit here. This is over a $3,000 profit from having this one box at $166.75. Amazing results, firmness, volume, stuff that a lot of our services can't give us, and along with the fact that amazing results for your client, but also amazing for you to be able to make quite a lot of money within your business, over $3,000 with this box.